So one of the things that I found that's really interesting in the insurance industry is how many people don't even know their agent or even if they have an actual agent. I found that a lot of people also go directly to the carrier in an 800 number and they don't have an independent agent looking out for them. And the fact that you don't even know who's handling your your financial assets is amazing to me. You may know who your agent is, but when's the last time you actually talked to them? When's the last time they went over the correct coverages for you? Another thing that I found extremely interesting is how many people are undercovered. They just don't have enough insurance. It's time and time again, policy after policy that I look at, and so many clients do not have enough coverage. So many people assume that because they pay their insurance bill every month that they're covered. And if you're not sure, reach out to your agent or reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to take a look for you.